Hello friends, hi, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I will teach you that how to create thumbnail for YouTube or TikTok or any social media websites on ChatGPT. So at the start when I started ChatGPT, I thought that free version of ChatGPT only create um, portrait thumbnail. And I asked ChatGPT the question that is there a command or prompt I type that you can be able to create a horizontal thumbnail, and what it said to me that if you type create white thumbnail, it will create for you a white thumbnail. So let's try this, right? So first I will ask ChatGPT that create portrait THUM nail for a cute cat, right? Okay, let's try this. And just to let you know guys that free version of ChatGPT only allows 3 or 4 thumbnails, and then after that you have to wait for 12 hours or I don't know how many hours for the next day to start creating thumbnails again. So it's creating a portrait thumbnail right now. Okay, let's wait. All right, image created, and this is a portrait thumbnail, right, of a cat. And now I ask that create a wide THU thumbnail. Okay, let's see. See, the free plan is limited, so after this thumbnail, it might not create any thumbnail for me. But let's see this. So it created a white thumbnail. So as you can see, a portrait thumbnail and white thumbnail. And to save this thumbnail to your photo album, you got to press this and then click save on the top, save, and it saves onto your photo album.